Here's how to become UNICEF member. To get started, visit the official UNICEF website and look for the section covering volunteer opportunities, careers, internships, or other ways to get involved. From there, review the available information about volunteering, including the requirements, eligibility criteria, and registration process. Once you've checked the details, select Find Your Volunteer Opportunity to explore the available positions. Browse through the opportunities and choose the one that best matches your interests, skills, and eligibility. Open the opportunity to view its full details. Then select the Apply button. Next, provide all the information requested in the application form. Make sure your details are accurate and complete. Then follow the on-screen instructions to submit your application. Once your application has been submitted, follow any additional instructions provided by UNICEF regarding the next steps. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.